Good evening, all. Is it 8 p.m. in Britain yet? Anyway, I've been out. You won't believe it. Helping deliver pizzas and kebabs and Coca-Cola and things. And we were discussing in Wales here, Carmarthenshire, deepest Carmarthenshire. Cross hands and double. People have some money. I told James, it wasn't like this in the 1980s. Nobody had any money. And all you could buy is a bag of potatoes, and that was it. To last us through the 1980s with Thatcher. It's not you. Well, and the difference, and I told him the difference between then, the 1980s, and now is we got our Welsh Assembly government. Yeah, and I said, anyway, I sent him a couple of videos. I said to it, and I'm back home now. And oh God, where's he gone? I've had a bit of cider. Bit of cider spider. My final pack of cigarettes for my final pack of cigarettes for the final my financial month. And as I said yesterday, I'll put that out of the way. Chili Merlot. See? Reserve. I bought yesterday, and I'm going for it. Here goes. Oh no. Give it a bit of decanting, bit of airing. That should do it. And then sniff. Quite mature. It's only from 2022. Yeah. But here we go. Yeah, I think I should have properly decanted that into a fucking claret jug. That's better. Right, I'm thinking that in the next hour or two. And I'll be having a very happy Sundays after that. I got my I've got my enough rawhide tobacco to last me for the rest of my financial month. Roll in. Keep those bloody cattle rolling. Rawhide! Like Blue Peter. There's one I made earlier. Blue Peter. I was there. Ah, 1960s, Blue Peter. Christopher, what was he? Christopher Trace, was it? With his train set. Oh, he turned into an alcoholic. Biddy Baxter from Blue Peter, who didn't turn into an alcoholic or a nervous wreck anyway. Christopher Trace, that shows you how old I am. With his train set. Yeah, public school boy, English. Oh, God. Right. And my good young friend, Melissa, from Akron, USA, Ohio, USA, has been posting more videos of her cats that she suddenly, my God, the last year has been an amazing year for Melissa. She adopted a cat. Zebediah says, I should get a cat. All right, I'll go down the what do you call them? I'll go down to the adoption pet place. What do you call them? Is it Savior? Anyway, she got one over a year ago now. Year September. Female cats. Pookie. And she didn't know. Pookie suddenly went into labour. Not the political party. Pregnancy labour. Suddenly, 4 bloody kittens popped out. So now she's got 5 cats. And she's been making videos of them. Oh my God. Melissa is so in love with them. Oh my God. She's been looking after them very well. Yeah. She's totally infatuated. Totally infatuated. Presley, Spunky, the 2 males, Ginger, Carousel, and Carousel. Coraline, the 2 females. You got to see the videos. When they're looking out the a bedroom window. Yeah. Yes, Melissa. Halloween soon. Dress them up for Halloween. Madison will help you. Right. This mad Welshman from Wales will have to say, enjoy. Yeah. And Melissa, I'll do a Darren Thomas video next. Okay? I know the one to recite. It'll bring you to your right.